You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this football club from the northern French city of Lille. Lille is how you say the name of the city. The name of the football club is pronounced in French and in English LOSC. LOSC. Lille Olympique Sporting Club or Lille Olympique Sporting Club. LOSC Lille. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.